This is an Oceanview one-bedroom master suite. As you can see, there is a connecting door at the end, and that would connect to a club Oceanview master double. So that's got the 2 beds. When it's a master category room and it's a double bedded room, you can have up to 4 adults in the room. So here we've got the first washroom in the common area. So it's just a half bath. You've got a dining room table. Room services, of course, included 24/7. And you've got this whole living area here. So lots of space. You've got your coffee entertainment center there, balcony access from here, full screen TV. And then there's a door to separate the bedroom. So this is a pull-out couch. So if you had children staying with you in the room, of course, you can keep them in here and then you can close the door so you have privacy. And here we've got a king-size bed and a couch separate area here, another TV. Of course, that's your room service menu in this handy little guide. We'll take a quick look at the view and then I'll shoot back and show you the massive bathroom. So we are in the main building and we're on the 7th floor. As you can see, it's a beautiful view of the fire pit area down below, as well as the main pool areas. And this is actually a separate balcony. So there was one with access in the other room, as well as one here. And then looking back, we see the massive bathroom area. And so we've got closet here and here. And then we've got a jacuzzi tub and a dual vanity toilet. And the shower has both the handheld and the rainfall shower. You've got soap, scale, hairdryer, and then these are the toiletries. We've got some after sun, we've got some factor 15 suntan lotion, body lotion. Of course, there's bubble bath over there, body cleanser over there, a couple of cleansing bars. And then this has got just, shower cap, sewing kit, shower cap, and some little mouthwash. So there you go, 1-bedroom Oceanview master king.